Hey, what's up, guys? Beeler here again, and doing the daily stock watch list review for the 1st of April. And as requested, I did a bigger watch list. Today I did 10. I tried to do them in ABC order. I probably messed up somewhere on that too. But on some of the stocks, I chose more passive levels, some I chose more aggressive, and some of these just range traded all day. So let's get into that. So I'm going to move this over here. So I deleted some of these levels because I was going over some stuff in the after hours meeting. 251.15 was our break above. So that was a good resistance right there. 246.70. And a pretty good break below. So entry, this would have been pretty early. Oh wait, sorry. Over here would have been pretty early. Even though that is a slight rising wedge. Not really. Actually, no, it's not. It's a broadening channel. Still a good play. Honestly, if you did that, you could have played off the rejection of that, in all honesty. It even rejected with the wick later on. But on the break below, getting in with momentum was good here. Momentum kind of shifted here after it broke that level. And this was the end of day push, so that would have been pretty good to play. Making lower highs along the way. So SPY was good. Let's go check out Apple. Apple, the levels were 251. Oh, it's way up here. 251 and 245.80. So pretty close to that. Entry, that was pretty straightforward. Off the rejection, that would have been good to play. Rest of the day drop. Lower high, lower high. Consolidation. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low. Just keep making lower lows. It's good. You want to keep pushing down. That helps you confirm that you're still in a good trade. As well as checking out ADD, SPY, VIX, futures, all that. You want to have the bigger picture locked down before you look at the smaller picture. AMD, the above was 45, the below was 43.75. That was a pretty good break above, actually. This was one of the few stocks that actually followed ADD in the morning push right here. This was pretty much the exact ADD chart. Everything was kind of diverging against SPY futures. Apple was not doing what it was supposed to be doing. Facebook wasn't. There was a lot of weird things going on. Tesla was doing something weird. But AMD was the one that seemed to be the only one to confirm super strong. So this was a really good play. If you got I know in my chat, AMD was really popular. Both chats, though, a lot of people played AMD. I'm going to keep adding that one to the list. People like those smaller number stocks. 65.15, 64 on Beyond. Mainly range traded for the day. It's a weird little day it had. Definitely good to just chill away from Beyond for now. Yeah, that wouldn't have been a great drop. I mean, you would have made money, but not the greatest of money. So, you know, keeping your stop loss tight. And that was with me. I mean, I couldn't really set more aggressive levels. There wasn't a whole lot of info there. I guess here could have been a good, indicator. But with all that movement and extended hours, it made it a little rough. Facebook did pretty good. Break below went pretty nice. Didn't have a good strong volume push on the above, so no need to enter there. No volume. Kind of had a few bear flags right here. That was more of a channel. That's a flag. Okay. Click. Those are good continuation bearish patterns. You always want to make sure and see what it does out of these no matter what, though, because you always have them doing that too, where they go up. Whether it's a flag, a symmetrical triangle, you want to see where the pressure's going and set levels on both sides. So Facebook was a good one. Let's see how LK did again. I know the other day it popped off. Good little inverted head and shoulders there. LK was pretty much a range trade day. If you got in, good to keep your losses a lot smaller than your wins. Cutting your losses is very important, very important. That's why I always set that message at the bottom of all my list, because I want people to realize, like, you can lose 6 out of 10 trades in the week as long as your 4 wins are bigger And the system I have set up, you could only win 4 out of 10 that week and still be up 10% green on the week. So that's really good. That's a good system. It's efficient. Position sizing helps too. 374 and then 370. That was my plays on here. Started off way above it. This kind of reminds me of what stock was that? I think it was BA. It's a good break below off that. Good reaction out of the break above zone. Strong selling pressure on Netflix today for some reason. Especially right here. This would have been an amazing entry. Seeing it not come back up right here. Not come back up to reject. That would have been a really good signal to just get in. Get in and put your stop loss on. NVIDIA. These are other stuff from the extended hours meeting. NVIDIA 257 and 254. Pretty good play on that one. Kind of like a bearish head and shoulders, kind of slanted downwards like a dude shrugging downwards on one angle. Damn, really good entry here. Seeing it play jump rope under the line, that would have been really nice. Really good entry. That was just kind of like Netflix. Microsoft. It was 154 and 152. Shout out to my boy Oscar. So you could have played both sides of this one, honestly. Maybe not towards the end of the day, because end of the day is always a little scary because you don't know if you're going to be able to get an amazing fill or Ivy's going to screw you if it just starts cascading sideways tomorrow. Don't want to have to get stuck in a swing. Break above, though. That was clean. That was a clean break above. Made its confirmation here on top. Volume didn't really help out. I mean, it did raise there a little, but not crazy amount. Made its hit here. Okay, yeah. So that wouldn't have entered there yet. This was a good aggressive entry. This would have been a good positive entry because you got your double top, and then right here you made your higher high finally. So this would have been the passive entry. But above the level though, this would have been a good entry. So a good one on Microsoft. Now, the last one's Tesla. Tesla levels I set above 510. So I'll go over my mistake today on Tesla in a minute. 515 was next resistance. Above that is 530s, and then below I said is 500. So this is all the info I used for today. It's a good break below here after it got the rejection. Again, playing patient was the winning play today. Me and my friend, we did not be patient. We entered aggressively on this candle as it broke above, and that is a no-no when playing this list and this system. That is a thing I normally preach against, and I still did it today. But we entered in on this candle, I think. Oh, no, it was on the 5-minute. Let me go to that. I play on the 5-minute. So on the 5-minute, we entered on this candle about like in this zone as it was pushing. We were thinking above the old 505 level. In our heads, we were thinking, okay, it'll pop above that. And it did, but we kind of held our hands too long. We're hoping for a little 3-bar play there. Come back and confirm a bullish continuation pattern, but that didn't happen. And then it came down, just continuated, just sideways. We got out about right here. So we got out without really getting hurt a whole lot. But I'm glad we did because, as you see what happened the rest of the day. So that just goes to show you, don't play aggressive. You need to play patient. You saw me enter way too early. You don't need to be doing that. Play patient and you'll win. That's pretty much how this system works. It seems to be paying off for a lot of people. So follow the system, follow how to play the list, follow how to make these lines. I'm going to start doing YouTube streams starting next week on Monday. Going over how I make you'll be able to watch me make my list and post them in the chats, and then that's it. I'll try and do that Monday, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. I won't be able to do them on Wednesdays because that's for private students only. And in the private chat when I just chill with my friends and we just try to focus on the chats more in depth in the levels and live channels we have. But make sure to leave a comment on the video, like the video, and please subscribe to the channel. We just broke 300. Thank you. And leave a comment down below as well. What kind of videos you want to see, if anything would help you. And see you on the next one. Thank you.